So my fiance got me the DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is a drone that records in 4K and has a bunch of great reviews out on it. This is my first drone ever flying. So we're gonna take it out, taking off at the house and flying around the neighborhood a little bit, see if an amateur like me can fly it and get some great footage. All right, let's go see if I don't break something. So I had a great time with this little drone. Didn't crash it luckily, and everything seems to be working great. My first time flying a drone, and I was able to fly it pretty successfully, I think. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like me to do a full review on this drone. If not, we'll just probably get a bunch of good footage on four-wheelers and side-by-sides with it out at Halapaw and other destinations like that. I'm gonna go ahead and link the drone down in the description of the video so that you can check it out for yourself if you want to. That's it. I just wanted to take the drone on a little test flight and see how it works and see if it's easy to fly.